Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to go over this retractable hose reel from Himimi. I'll do a quick unboxing, show you what's all included, and I'll show you how to mount it to your wall. I'll also go over some of the features that it has to offer. So let's get started. We'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box. It's packaged nicely with bubble wrap. And here's everything that you'll receive inside the box. You have your 65-foot retractable hose reel, a nice spray nozzle, adjustable, your swivel mount bracket, the swivel pin, the mounting hardware, and of course the instruction manual on how to install it and use it as well. Now I'm going to show you how to mount this to your house or fence or garden shed, whatever you may have. To begin installation, first you're going to need to find a sturdy structure such as this brick wall located on my house, or a solid wood post would work fine as well. The tools you're going to need, if you're going to be drilling into a brick wall such as this, is a hammer drill and a 10mm mason bit as well. Another thing to keep in mind when finding your proper location is to make sure you have a water location coming out of your house within a few feet of where you're going to be mounting your hose reel. Once you have a proper location picked out, take your wall mounting bracket, find the height that you want it at. You can slide this in here temporarily and pick and choose the height that you're going to want to mount it at. A few inches off the ground to a foot off the ground is probably good. Then take your wall mounting bracket, place it on the wall, place a level on it so that you got it squared up, and then mark your 4 holes with a marker or pencil so you can begin drilling. Now that you have all 4 holes drilled, you're going to need a hammer, a 10mm socket, and your hardware kit that's included. You're going to take your mason anchor and tap it into the hole that you pre-drilled. Continue with all 4. Now take your bracket, align it up, insert one of your anchoring bolts, and just slightly turn it in a little ways. And then take the other 3 supplied bolts, do the same thing, and then we'll go around and we'll snug them all down. Now with everything secured, take your hose reel, align up the holes, take your pivot bar, slide it through. Your hose reel is now attached. If you're going to be mounting this hose reel to a wood structure, you can eliminate this process and mount your mounting bracket directly to the wood structure using the supplied bolts. The next step, unwind the supplied hose that you're going to use to attach to your faucet. Remove the plastic covering that protects it during transit and attach it to your faucet. Take the supplied spray nozzle and attach that as well. Turn on your water, check for any leaks, and your hose reel is now ready for use. A couple nice features with this hose reel is its ability to swivel and pivot in any direction. So if you want to pull your hose reel out this way or this way, you'll never have to worry about your hose getting kinked from it being stationary at an angle like that. Another nice feature is this carrying handle. You can simply remove the swivel pin, grab this by the handle, and move it to any location that you'd like. With 65 feet of hose, you're never going to have to worry about your hose being too short and not being able to reach your gardens. This hose is not only long enough to reach your garden beds, but the feature to pull it out to any length and lock it into place is great as well. So you're not having to hold on to it and it's trying to retract itself back in. You have a cone, a jet mode, a shower head, a mist, a soaker, an angle, a center, a flat, and a cone as well. This hose is not only great for reaching all of your flower beds and gardening areas that you may want to get to, but it's also perfect for washing your RVs or vehicles as well. The hose diameter is plenty big, so you do not lose any pressure in the 65 feet that you extend. When you're finished with your garden hose, simply give it a little pull and let it go, and it'll retract itself back in fully. This hose reel seems very well built. I also love the fact that it has a locking feature at certain intervals, and the retracting feature is a plus as well. Another nice feature is that it swivels back and forth, so you're not kinking your hose. The hose seems very well built. It takes quite a bit to get it to kink, as you can see here. And all of the options that you have on the spray nozzle are a plus as well. If you guys are interested in this hose reel from Himimi, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.